we'll be doing a test about solving the quadratic formula. Hopefully you guys have a chance to study tonight.
Wait, what? That's not enough time for me.
Sorry, Tyler, but I gave you a chance earlier to study, but you decided to waste time. Anyways, good luck on the test.
Guys, I need help. I have an upcoming test tomorrow, but I don't have time to study.
I know how to get around it.
How?
Tomorrow, before the test, ask Mr. McDonald if you can use the restroom. There's a fire alarm near the restroom on the men's side. Wait until the coast is clear and then pull it.
Okay, I'll do it.
I'll be handing out the test after we go over with the rubric. Before that, there'll be no phones or any electronic devices. You guys only have an hour to complete this test, and also, no cheating. Any questions? Yes, Tyler?
Mr. McDonald, may I please use the restroom?
Sure, but you have 5 minutes before the test starts.
Why would there be a fire alarm at this time?
Well, we have everyone out here. Now we just have to wait until it's good to go in.
Attention all staff and students, you are now good to enter the building.
Well, the test is postponed to tomorrow since the fire alarm took over most of our time. Anyways, I'll be giving you another day to study.
Tyler Castengay, please report to my office. Tyler, I saw you on CCTV that you're pulling the fire alarm. Can you explain why?
I've pulled the fire alarm because Mr. McDonald is giving out a test today and I haven't got a chance to study. I thought pulling the fire alarm would give me more time to study.
Young man, don't you know that's a crime to pull the fire alarm? You just wasted our time.
Fire alarms are meant to be pulled in case of an emergency, and they're not meant to be used for any other reason other than that.
Instead of wasting your time playing games at home, you should have studied earlier so you have more time for the test. And because of that, you're suspended for a week. After your suspension, you'll be having a lunch detention with Mr. McDonald for 3 days. Also, I'll be calling your dad about this.
Tyler, ton école vient de m'appeler et ils m'ont dit que tu as déclenché l'alarme incendie à cause du test. Comment oses-tu déclencher l'alarme incendie? C'est fini. Tu es puni, 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 puni jusqu'à la fin de ta suspension scolaire. Va dans ta chambre tout de suite.
Wow.